Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to compare the original RadioLink CL9030 brushed ESC with the updated version. I did an unboxing video on this not too long ago, and I did a unboxing for this about a year ago. And I just want to say that I did receive two of the upgraded ones from RadioLink. I did not pay for two of these, and I did buy these with my own money about a year ago. So just want to get that out there. So let's try to look for some differences. Very obvious is the original came with a anti-static bag like this. There are jumper caps somewhere. I don't know exactly where they are, but so that was the packaging before. And the upgraded version comes in this plastic case, and the manual and jumper caps are in there. So that's one of the first differences. The second one, also very obvious, is the color of the shell. From what I understand, this one was 3D printed, and then they invested in the plastic injection mold. And now they're coming like this in black. I also noticed, I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but the heat sinks are a little bit different now. So let's take a look. The original one was 19.5 millimeters, and the new one is 17.1. So I think it's worth testing to see if one of these would be hotter than the other in terms of operation. Something that they also pointed out to me is the wire gauge. So originally this one is 16 gauge wires. It's really hard to see. Maybe you can see it, but it's 16 gauge, and the upgraded ones are 14 gauge. You can definitely tell the difference if I put them side to side. Like that. Other than that, the other wires, the servo and the switch wires appear to be the same. I did notice that originally there's nothing here, and now they have on-off switch, on and off here on the switch. Okay, one technical difference they also pointed out to me is the BEC amperage. The original one was 3 amps at 5.8 volts and 3 amps at 7.5 volts, and the new one is 5 amps at 5.8 volts, 5 amps at 7.5 volts. So that's a little bit improvement on the BEC. Other than that, they're very similar. Connectors wise, they're all the same. They're both the same. So, and surprising to me is the price stayed the same. And I do remember doing a performance comparison to other ESCs, and I know this was a solid performer. So at the current price, $29.99, I think it's a contender. If you're building a crawler especially, you should definitely consider the RadioLink CL9030. All right, that's all I have for this video. Just wanted to compare the original to the updated one. Let me know if you're thinking about buying this. Leave a note in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.